Right guys, I'm just going to show you a quick step up tutorial. So I've laid out a stepper in the box. Basically when it comes to step ups, obviously it's not just as simple as coming out and stepping onto the box here, right? So based on your movement mechanics, your height, the length of your limbs, these are all going to be indicators or dictators on how you should step up. So first things first, you want to make sure your foot position is correct. So think 3 points of contact. So ball of the foot, your bone outside here, and then the heel, and then you want to be gripping and creating that nice arch, right? So what we also don't want to be doing as well when we're stepping up is putting the box up a step or two high, that you're going to have to compensate by coming out here or here to step up onto the box, because you want a position where you're simply going to be lifting that knee up. Okay, so from here, a simple step up would be from that position up onto the box, coming back up, stepping down and back. Back. Notice I'm rooting first before I stand up, and then going back down. Alright, so obviously you just adjust that box, or sorry, that stepper to accommodate what you're trying to do. So another wee tip I can give you is your positioning on the step, on the box, and your hip position will dictate what your contractions will be. So if you notice, I'm in this kind of lengthened torso position, so my knee angle is greater, so it's going to be a little bit more quad dominant. If I hinge forward a little touch, you notice that the hip angle is increased here, so that's going to make it a little bit more glute dominant. Alright, so that's a couple of things you can play around with when you're doing your stepper as well. And that's the quick tips for the day, guys.